Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Perfect Storm Trading. It is Wednesday, June 2nd, 2021. Uh, Please subscribe, like, and click the notification button on our YouTube page, The Perfect Storm. We're getting up there. We've got 39 videos. This is our 40th video today. If you're new to The Perfect Storm, please go to the Perfect Storm introductory videos under the playlist tab, and that will give you the background to our tools. You can also stop at the Perfect Storm Trading webpage. Our website is perfectstormtrading.com. Here you can get information on our book and our other tools that we have coming. We do research in horse racing, astrology applied to horse racing. We're going to be implementing an astrological roulette system, so we may have a project coming out on that. So we have some various things in the works. That's what's coming up. Uh, you can find out information about the Perfect Storm Trading book and our other books, and the coming day trading room, which should be rolling in around September this year. Okay, with that said, let's move on to see what we have going with the market today. Let's look at the Vedic Trend first. Here, you can see we got what we called out yesterday. We had that low came in on the 31st there in that white window. We had more bullish bias going up to the area of the high here, and then once we got to that 828 area yesterday, it was right in the middle of the double top, and then we did the retest false break on the high and then traded down. You can see we had mostly bearish pressure there, as I mentioned in the video yesterday. Now we're moving out of that bearish window. You can see we flatlined overnight. We do have a little cross current going here on B1, B2. The Excel line, which I'll show next, is bottomed out and flattened out. We're kind of hitting into a period of neutrality here this afternoon. So we don't really have a lot of bias here on the Vedic. After about 7:15, we're kind of neutral and choppy. And then we have another timing window here, but not till about 3:15. So we're going to get some significant turning point maybe here before the close. Let's roll over to the Astro Excel chart. Okay, on the Excel chart, you can see we bottomed here, kind of made a little bit of a double bottom. You can see we've got these two green bumps down at just about the same level. The first one where the actual low was a little lower. You can see the blue line bottomed here also and has started rolling up, and now we're to the point in time where they're both flatlining around the 0 and inside the -10 line. So we don't have much of a directional bias for a good part of this day today. Let me throw a little rectangle on here. This is the area that I'm really talking about, where we're kind of flat on the green line. We get a little bump down on the blue line from 11 till about 2 o'clock. About 2 o'clock, both lines turn up into the close today. So the most bullish part of this day is probably going to be between 2 and 4 p.m. today, or 1400 and 1600. So prior to that, the rest of this looks pretty much choppy. We may get a push down where this blue line takes a fairly steep dive here from 11 to somewhere around 1:30 or 2 o'clock. So we're kind of flat all morning till about 11. Maybe get a push down 11 till the 132 area, and then a bounce up the afternoon. And then don't forget, we've got that white timing window coming in around 3:15. Let's take a look at the pH chart, get you some times for today. With the two different methods, here are the projections. We're taking this low, we're projecting 2 points here, so we're going to P1, P2 blue. You can see we got a swing reversal here uh, early in the morning. The next one is coming up here soon at about 6:40. That coincides with the end of the normal method 2 segment here, the light purple. Our first hit this morning didn't really give us anything. We had an up move coming into the turn time. It just went completely flat for a half hour after that, no volatility. So not really anything happened there. No harm, no foul. I've got a segment end. The segment ends, as I mentioned a couple days ago, have been really important for major pivot points on the day lately. That's around 10:20 this morning. And then the afternoon pivots, this between 2:04 and about 2:12, and then the last one of the day is going to be about 3:20. That's coinciding with that white timing window that I showed you on the Vedic chart. So not much to take from this overnight chart. Really flat period, not much volatility here. Those are the second projection point was the overnight high was right here with the red P1, red P2. I projected that forward and hooked them together with the red trend line, and that one's coming in. Again, that coincides with the end of the segment, so that gives that one a little extra credence. Sometimes you'll see where we get this sharp down move that goes from the red to the blue red. It's possible that we're going to repeat and get a similar swing in that area there, just like that. So it's possible we get the same thing. It could be reversed polarity, but it's possible that we go high to low here, and that's about a 24, 27 minute frame. So a lot of times those type of swings may repeat, so you can kind of watch for that and give you a little bit more of a clue on how to use this stuff. So that's it for today, and we'll be back again with another video tomorrow. We'll talk to you then.